show you how she look. I'm gonna show you how she's doing. This is what it looks like. There's a little bit of balding. I've had this for about a year almost, and I've been wearing it on and off. But when I do wear it, it's non-stop. Okay, I don't sleep in it or anything, but it's holding up pretty well. She a little wobbly. Y'all can see the top. And guys, I did add highlights to this wig. You don't have to worry about it. Just imagine the wig was completely black. It's either a 1 or a 1B. I don't know. But this has little blue streaks. I wanted to do like a cotton candy. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this wig. One for the color and for the style. Out in public, it is a game changer if you know how to bow with handles. And I'm just gonna add some warm water to it. And there was cold water in it previously, but this is gonna be some hot water. Okay. And then I am going to add my dish soap. You can see that. And this is the kind I use. I love Dawn dish soap. You see the little ducky on it. That means it's good for, it's sensitive enough to be used on a duck that's covered in oil versus, you know, cleaning products and cleaning stuff. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Okay. I'm going to take my wig. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how it's done. And just clean it. And this is a great way to clean your lace wigs. The lace itself, not necessarily the wig. This is synthetic fibers, and yes, it's synthetic, and the wig is bi-sensational. Detergent right there. And then I'm gonna go in with this avocado and argan oil shampoo, sulfate free. It doesn't matter if you use this type of shampoo. You could use some shampoo that's cheap from the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1, and you'll be perfectly fine. I got this from, let's see, I've been had this, but I'll leave some links to the products, okay guys, in the information box, description box, whatever you want to call it. And just pop it open. I focus it around the hairline because in the middle. So the hairline, that's where the lace, is. And this is just to give it a nice smell. That's why, because of the method I'll be using, you do not want to use conditioner. Okay? Do not put conditioner on this wig once you've used Dawn dish soap and then shampooed. Okay? The Dawn is like for a thorough clean. The shampoo. This is where the magic happens. Now you notice that the fibers, let me see if I can give you a close-up. The fibers, they look really worn out, frizzy and stuff. What I'm gonna do is take this Lot of Body mousse and make sure it's just regular mousse or a Lot of Body mousse. This is Wrap Me Foaming mousse. But get something like this. It could be one of those spray mousses. It doesn't matter. As long as it's mousse, I believe it should work. You just put a little bit in here and work it through. Now this will help get rid of the tangles, as well as make it smell good, as well as smooth some of the fibers a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. And you could just fold it, not fold it. Okay. And then I'm going to go in and run my finger. Like somebody got a blowout that has natural hair. See? And even one of the pink strands that I have came off. That's okay. So yeah, guys, just make sure you have a wig brush, some type of, not no soft bristle, but a wig brush, rubber bristle. Okay? Now keep watching. Alright, guys. So this is what I'm using. You could either use Eco Styler, some clear form of gel, something like Eco Styler, or something like a string gel. If you can get your hands on one of these, you'll be good. Okay? Don't use no cheap and pro for Dollar Tree kind of gel that's brown. At least go with something clear if you decide to use that. But if I was you, I would get one of these. Extreme Gel, Eco Styler. And I got the argan oil kind. Okay? Don't get the one that's got black castor oil in it. You get the olive kind of the Eco Styler or the argan oil kind. Okay? So, this is why I didn't want you guys to condition your wig. Because once you put these gels on the hair, it will start to flake. You'll have white flakes all over your wig. You don't want that. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. You could just open it. Let's see. Where the heck does it start? Oh. I'll just see that. And this is the fun part once I get to the front. Accidents happen. And just keep going. And push this back. I'm going to give it like a little side bang. I know it seems like a gushy mess, but it will dry, guys. I promise. It will dry. I'm thinking about getting another one of these, guys. I'll leave some links to where you can buy it. And, yeah. Also, guys, with my links, I do get a small, very small percentage of what you buy through my links. So please use them. It helps my channel. I appreciate it. So, yeah. Alrighty, guys. So this is what the wig is looking like after using the gel and mousse. Looks very nice. I brushed the side, and this is what the back looks like. Looks like human hair in my opinion. Just got a little sheen to it, but this wig isn't really shiny. Yeah. I'm gonna try it over and I'm gonna come back. Also, there may be a makeup tutorial with this video, so stay tuned.